All right, so on this particular project right here, it's sanded all the way up to 220 grit. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna raise the grain. So we have a damp paper towel, it's folded up. We're gonna do the whole top side here, then flip it over, do the whole bottom side. And get the edges too, like that. Now, if you take your hand and you go, all right, that's good. If you take your hand and go over it, does it feel rough? Kind of feels prickly, right?
Yeah.
So what it's doing is all the grains of the wood that were pushed over when we sanded, they're now raised. So that's good. We're gonna be nice and careful. We're not gonna press really hard. Go ahead and wipe that side down. Keep going. Might have to keep going. Keep going. You want to see the whole. This is still dry, so you want to try to get the whole thing. So we're gonna raise the grain. Notice the paper towel is not totally saturated where it's going to take the wood forever to dry. You can even see it drying already. So in 5 minutes or so, he's going to be able to go right back over it with 220, and that's going to cut off all those grains that have been raised on the board. It's just going to make it that much more silky smooth. Want to show you guys how to do that? And the next step that we'll wind up doing is we're going to go ahead and we're going to route the four corners. You can do it real quick. We're going to route the four corners on this thing here. Both top side and bottom side with a 45-degree router, but only at about 1/8 of an inch, so I'm just gonna do a smidgen. And you see how it's drying almost as fast as you take it off?
Yeah.
That's good. So about 5 minutes or so, you'll be able to sand that down.
Can I try the other side again?
Yeah, if you want to, you can, it's fine. All right, we'll show you how to sand that up. Well, you guys know how to sand it up, so we're not even gonna do that. We're gonna show you how to route it here in the next video.